Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Samsung dishwasher blinking smart auto, meaning cause and reset. Fix 1. Perform a hard reset. You just have to turn off the dishwasher and unplug it from the power outlet for 3 to 5 minutes. Alternatively, you can flip the dedicated circuit breaker in your electrical panel. Then you have to plug the dishwasher back in and trying starting a new cycle. Fix 2. Check the water valve and supply. You just have to locate the hot water shut-off valve under the kitchen sink. You just have to verify that the valve is turned completely open. Inspect the intake hose to ensure it is not twisted or pinned. Fix 3. Clear the drainage system. You have to open the dishwasher door and remove the bottom disc crack. You have to remove the filter by twisting the circular mesh filter on a counterclockwise and lifting it out. You have to clean the filter under a running water using a soft brush to eliminate soap scum and food slime. Inspect the sump for a trapped bones, glass fragments or debris. You just have to reassemble by snapping the filter back into the place and twisting it clockwise to lock it. Fix 4. Dry the leak sensor. You just have to turn off the circuit breaker for a safety before starting the repair. Unscrew the bottom metal panel kick plate at the front base of the dishwasher. Inspect the bottom panel for any standing water in the plastic or metal tray. You just have to remove all the moisture using a towel, sponge, or wet or dry vacuum if the water is present. Locate and dry the small sensor switch next to a styrofoam float disk. You just have to reinstall the kick plate, restore the power, and run a test cycle. Thanks for watching.